Oh, you're gonna stack?
Oh.
Oh. We've been together 4 years. We have a son who is a year and a half. His name is Theo.
And he's the cutest thing in the whole world.
And we have 2 dogs that have been severely neglected since we've had our son. Good dogs. We love our house, but it's just 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It's really small.
It was fine for us when it was just the 2 of us, but Theo needs a lot more room.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Yeah.
Progress.
Look at this.
So we're gonna need to stop construction.
What?
Stop.
Your property is on a historical preservation zone.
Oh, you want to dump it?
Jump.
Just on your feet.
Who is it?
It's Maricela.
Oh.
She's FaceTiming.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
Hi.
Are y'all at the park?
Oh, yeah, playing in the sand pit.
Awesome.
What's up?
Listen, I'm calling because I have great news.
Oh, good.
We have permits. We are ready to go. Full-blown into construction.
Woohoo! That's awesome. Theo has his dump truck. He's ready to go.
He's ready for construction.
If you need one, he's ready.
His and his
I'll
bathroom.
get you a shirt. You'll come onto the crew. Hello?
Hey Maricela,
Hey, what's going on?
I want to verify if this property has been tested for asbestos.
It was tested for asbestos, and the only place it came up was in that green vinyl that was in the office. And we're not touching that, so we should be good.
Yeah, well, we uncovered the same vinyl throughout the whole kitchen when we were doing the demo. So we do have a big problem.
Yikes.
Yeah.
So what's going on?
In order to have a level flooring transition from the living dining room into the kitchen, we would have to tear out this floor. But because it's got asbestos in it, that requires asbestos abatement, which is another $3,000 probably, and another couple of weeks of work.
Is there an alternative?
Yes, the alternative is for us to just run the wood floor from the dining room right over this old vinyl flooring into the kitchen. You'd have a little bit of a flooring transition between the 2 spaces. It would be a tiny bit higher in here than it is in there.
I mean, I think we should do it. Like, we should just get it done, save the money.
I'm always on board for saving money, so if Matt is too, this is a no-brainer. Maricela said as long as we don't disturb the asbestos when we cover it up, it's totally safe for Theo. So we'll just live with a little bump on the floor. Let's just keep going forward. We need to get you in that kitchen as soon as possible.
And then look at all this space. Look how big this is.
Ah, check it out.
I mean,
We
this
have
is
our-
crazy. So what's this space? Can we use this?
Yeah, Mario, show them what you
You
discovered.
can. You had a wall here, right? We uncovered it when we demoed it. You can actually use this area for your vanity.
I think that's really cool because you're taking a rectangle room and you're adding,
Yeah, a little recessed alcove that gives you
I mean, that's,
I mean, it gives the house a little more character, you know, than just like tiny
A box.
bathroom. Yeah, I'm excited about it.
Okay.
it's already looking so different already.
Wow.
More countertops.
More, can you say more?
Once everything's all put together, it's gonna look
I
beautiful.
know, just think like the blue tile up the wall, it's gonna look so good.
Look, Theo, here comes the last piece.
Oh.
It's looking good. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Something's not right here.
We have a problem, guys. A big problem.
Yeah, that is a big problem. Something doesn't look right there. It was all going so well, Theo, huh?
We have a problem. A big problem.
Yeah, something doesn't look right there. It was all going so well, Theo, huh?
I think I have an idea of what happened here. We added this filler here so that the windows can be symmetrical with the range, and that's what gave us the 4 inches right over there.
Theo's really mad.
Yes, I'm sorry, Theo.
this
I
countertop
promise we
situation.
can fix it.
Oh,
I promise.
buddy.
It's gonna set us back. We have to get the slab, and then we have to fabricate it, so it'll take us back maybe about a day and a half or so.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Nonetheless, we gotta fix it.
Our house is done, and it feels so good to come home after work and just like put our feet up and just relax.
Yeah, it's totally us too.
When we first got the house, the layout was really weird. You had to walk through the kitchen, like through the laundry room to get to the only bathroom. But now it feels really good. It has a nice flow and it feels like a home.
I mean, it's true, because the square footage is the same, but it does feel a lot bigger.
It does.
Besides the kitchen, the next biggest project was the new guest bathroom.
That space before, it was just like a pass-through that had like the washer, dryer, and
I mean, it was dumb. It was just a dumb, weird, dumb space. And we made it crazy beautiful.
I'm really happy Joseph and Rosa made the decision to keep the white tile on the walls. It's really beautiful and feels like a spa in there. And I think that the black tile on the walls would have made it feel really dark in there.
I love everything about that bathroom, the way it turned out. So I'm really happy with it.
Yeah, every decision was the best decision.
Mm-hmm.
You can relax. That's new.